How are traditional chair spring systems engineered for upholstery? Imagine sitting on a chair that feels just right every time you sit down. That comfort comes from how the springs inside are carefully designed and put together. Traditional chair spring systems are built to give support, last a long time, and keep you comfortable. The most well-known system is called the 8-way hand-tied coil spring system. This means each coil spring is shaped like an hourglass or cone and placed across the seat frame. These springs are tied by hand with twine in 8 different directions, up and down, side to side, and diagonally. This tying keeps each spring in place, stops noise, and spreads out your weight evenly. The frame that holds these springs must be strong enough to handle the tension from the springs and the tying process. Usually, the springs sit on a base of jute webbing or metal strips. These support the springs and help the seat keep its shape over time. When you sit, the springs bend and contour to your body, making the chair comfy and preventing it from sagging. Besides the 8-way hand-tied system, there are other types of traditional springs. Serpentine springs are long, S-shaped wires stretched across the frame and clipped in place. They are easier and cheaper to install but tend to sag faster and offer less support. Helical springs are coil-shaped and used in combination with other springs to add flexibility. Torsion springs twist to provide support and help reinforce the edges of the seat. When upcycling or reupholstering a chair, knowing about these spring systems is helpful. If you can find a chair with the original hand-tied coil springs, keeping or restoring them can make your chair last longer and stay comfortable. When replacing springs, choose quality coil springs that match the original size and tension. These are usually about 1 to 2 inches in diameter and come in different lengths. Installing new springs involves attaching them securely to the frame with clips or ties, then hand-tying or fastening them in place. For a more budget-friendly or quicker project, serpentine springs are a good option, but they might not last as long or feel as supportive. Overall, the way these spring systems are engineered involves selecting the right type of spring, placing them carefully within a sturdy frame, and tying or fastening them tightly. This creates a seat that supports your body, stays comfortable over time, and can be easily upcycled or restored. When you understand how these systems work, you can better decide how to reupholster or repair a chair to keep it looking and feeling great for years to come.